Okay, so we want to look at the domain and range of each function. And so we can take the ceiling of any number that we want. So the domain of this is just all reals, right? But what's the range of what that's going to come to? So if I take a negative real number, I'm going to get a negative integer back. If I take a positive real number, I'm going to get a positive integer back. We know that the range of this, it is only those integers. It's never going to return a fraction. It's not returning all real numbers. I'll always get back an integer. So the domain is the reals, but the range are the integers. And if we're taking a number mod 8, we're going to start with a domain of, we can start with all integers, positive, negative, but our range is always going to be in the set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Because the number mod 8, it's that remainder when we divide by 8, it's always going to be something between 0 and 7, an integer between 0 and 7. Okay, so let's say, again, we can take the domain of the reals for this function, because I can take the absolute value of a real number. But what happens is, if I take a negative real number, so if x is negative, then it's going to return the positive version of that. So I'm never going to get anything negative in this absolute value. So this is the absolute value of x is always going to be greater than or equal to 0. So the absolute value of x plus 3 is always going to be greater than or equal to 3. And so the range in this case is the reals greater than or equal to 3. Okay.